अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूवर्स, अब्दुल्ला टेक में खुशामदीद। व्यूवर्स, आज हम आपसे एक बहुत ही मज़े की चीज़ शेयर करने लगे हैं। आज हम आपको बताएंगे कि आप लोग यूट्यूब से किस तरह से अर्निंग कर सकते हैं। आप लोगों ने यूट्यूब पे इस तरह की बहुत सारी वीडियोस ऑफ कोर्स पहले देखी होंगी, लेकिन इंशाल्लाह आई होप कि आप लोगों को इस तरह का कंटेंट किसी वीडियो में नहीं मिला होगा। तो व्यूवर्स, आज हम आपको बताएंगे कि आप किस तरह से बिल्कुल सिंपल तरीके से कैसे आप यूट्यूब से अर्निंग कर सकते हैं। You can earning money on YouTube by applying for and being accepted to the YouTube partner program. You may also qualify to receive short bonus as part of the YouTube Shorts fund without being in the YouTube partner program. Uh, we would not tell you what you can create on YouTube, but we do have a responsibility to do right by our viewers, creators, and advertisers. If you are in the YouTube partner program, you can earn money through YouTube. When in the YouTube partner program, we hold you to a higher standard to make sure we are rewarding good creators. We review your channels before you are accepted in the YouTube partner program. We also consult review channels to make sure you are meeting all our policies and guidelines. Channels do not need to be monetizing on YouTube to be eligible for the YouTube Shorts Fund. Creators in the YouTube partner programming and channels that are a part of a multi-channel networking are still eligible. You may be liable to pay taxes on your earning from YouTube. Find out more below. Ways to make money in the YouTube Partner Program. You can make money on YouTube through the following features: advertising revenue, get ad revenue from display, overlay, and video ads, channel memberships. Your members make recycling monthly payments in exchange for special perks that you offer. Shopping, your fans can browse and buy products like merchant from your store on YouTube. Super chat and super stickers. Your fans pay to get their messages or animated images highlighted in chat streamers. Super thanks. Your fans pay to get their message highlighted in your videos comment sections. YouTube Premium revenue, get part of a YouTube Premium subscribers subscriptions free when they watch your content.